we have an installation of AMS running in the cloud. What that means for you is that you can try the full Amsterdam modeling suite without downloading and installing it. Let's have a look at how it works. After you sign up for a free trial with us, you'll receive an email. And in that email you'll find a username, a password and a server URL. Now you have two options. You can either start a web interface in your own browser right away, or you install a small ThinLinc client to access the demo server. This is what the web interface looks like, pretty much like a normal Linux desktop, but in your browser. From here on you can use AMS just like you would on your local machine, with one exception. Copy and pasting from the web browser has to be done from the browser within the web interface. Let me show you. To copy and paste something into the AMS GUI, just open a local Firefox browser and then proceed as normal. Now, for optimal performance, you should install the small ThinLinc client. That way you can also just copy and paste into the AMS GUI from anywhere on your machine. Once you start a calculation, you can follow its progress in AMS jobs just like you would with a local installation. To sign up for your own free trial, simply go to www.scm.com or check out the links in the video description. So that's it for today. I hope you have a pleasant and productive experience with AMS in the cloud.